To get gold, we're very proud of it. Like I said, we're the only ones in the state of Oregon that got gold. There are other dealerships that got silver, but we pride ourselves being the strongest dealership. We always have, we always will. We have to maintain and take care of our customers, so they rate us. It's a report card for us. Warranty, we have to stay and take care of our warranty customers with a priority, and we do a very good job there. It's not just one person. It takes a whole team to do this for sure. From start to finish, like I said, 12-month rolling average, it takes us all to be on our cue all the time, all year long. So Harley-Davidson has a metrics of 5 different categories that we have to meet and exceed, or try to exceed for the year. We do a good job. It's a 12-month rolling average. We have to stay focused constantly, and it keeps us on our toes. That's why we appreciate it.